Hello! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our Smart Band. You can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll down and find the settings icon, and then tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and select it. And here find the power off option, tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and turn off the Smart Band. And after a second or two, the Smart Band should turn off, and that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.